explaining WIDEX unique wind noise attenuation and how it allows users to keep their hearing aids activated, even in very windy conditions. The WIDEX wind noise attenuation system uses the input signal on both microphones in the hearing aid. Because wind noise is uncorrelated in nature, between the two microphones our algorithm detects, separates, and subtracts the wind noise effectively from the signal pathway in the hearing aid. WIDEX wind noise attenuation system does not rely on the interaural exchange of sound to improve hearing and wind noise. Instead, it deals with it individually on each ear. This delivers an 8.4 dB signal-to-noise ratio improvement. The WIDEX unique wind noise attenuation sets new standards in the industry. It delivers improved speech understanding in wind and better sound quality in windy conditions. The result? Less chance users will need to remove their hearing aids when outdoors. WIDEX Unique, for active users who want to live life large.